AI Revolution, Unlocking the Brain's Secrets for Smarter Machines. The human brain, a complex network of neurons, holds the key to unlocking the next frontier of AI. But how can we harness its power? Researchers at the University of Surrey have embarked on a groundbreaking journey to find out. In a recent study, they've revealed a fascinating approach, mimicking the brain's intricate wiring to enhance AI performance. By understanding the brain's efficiency in organizing information, they've developed a technique called topographical sparse mapping. This method connects artificial neurons in a way that mirrors the brain's natural connections, potentially revolutionizing AI's capabilities. But here's where it gets controversial. The researchers claim this brain-inspired model could significantly reduce energy consumption, a critical issue in AI development. Dr. Bauer asserts, we can build smarter AI while being environmentally conscious. This statement challenges the status quo, as AI training is notoriously energy-intensive. The study, published in Neurocomputing, introduces an enhanced version of their technique, taking inspiration from the brain's natural pruning process. This process refines neural connections as the brain learns, and the researchers believe it could further optimize AI models like ChatGPT. The implications are vast, from improving AI efficiency to creating more human-like computing systems. The team is already exploring neuromorphic computers, which mimic the brain's structure and function. This could be a game-changer for AI applications, but also raises questions about the ethical boundaries of replicating the human brain. And this is the part most people miss. As AI advances, should we prioritize energy efficiency over performance? Can we strike a balance? The Surrey team's work opens a new chapter in the AI narrative, inviting us to rethink our approach. What do you think? Is this the future of AI, or a controversial path we should tread carefully?